The Jacob T9 Hunter is an advanced all-terrain vehicle that redefines the standards of versatility, power, and innovation. Designed to conquer the most challenging environments, this masterpiece of engineering combines cutting-edge technology, rugged durability, and unmatched adaptability. Every detail of the T9 Hunter has been meticulously crafted to meet the demands of adventurers, explorers, and professionals who require reliability, efficiency, and superior performance in any scenario. At its core, the T9 Hunter is built on a robust and lightweight steel titanium alloy frame, ensuring a perfect balance between strength and agility. The vehicle's aerodynamic design not only enhances performance but also reduces wind resistance, making it both efficient and visually striking. Beneath the hood lies a revolutionary hybrid engine system that blends high-efficiency electric propulsion with a turbocharged combustion engine. This hybrid powertrain delivers exceptional torque and speed while optimizing fuel efficiency, making the T9 Hunter ideal for long-distance travel across remote and unforgiving terrains. The vehicle's advanced adaptive suspension system is designed to provide an unparalleled driving experience, effortlessly adjusting to uneven surfaces, steep inclines, and rocky paths. Whether traversing desert sands, dense forests, icy tundras, or mountain trails, the T9 Hunter ensures a smooth and stable ride. Its reinforced composite armor plating offers superior protection against environmental hazards and impacts, ensuring the vehicle remains resilient in the harshest conditions. Inside the T9 Hunter, luxury meets functionality. The spacious cabin is outfitted with premium materials and ergonomic designs, offering maximum comfort for passengers on extended journeys. The seats are fully adjustable and equipped with memory foam technology, ensuring a customized and comfortable fit. The dashboard features an intuitive, AI-driven control system with a higher-resolution touchscreen interface. This advanced AI system provides real-time terrain analysis, GPS navigation, route optimization, and even autonomous driving capabilities for specific scenarios. Additionally, voice-activated controls allow drivers to stay focused on the terrain ahead while managing vehicle functions seamlessly. Storage and utility are key features of the T9 Hunter. The vehicle is equipped with modular storage compartments that can be customized to fit specific needs, whether for carrying gear, tools, supplies, or personal belongings. These compartments are weatherproof and secure, ensuring contents remain safe and accessible regardless of the conditions. Additional features include an integrated power management system that supports charging external devices and operating auxiliary equipment, making the T9 Hunter a self-sufficient unit for extended expeditions. The exterior design combines aesthetics and practicality, with strategically placed LED lighting arrays that ensure excellent visibility in low-light conditions. A rugged undercarriage, reinforced wheels, and off-road tires provide unparalleled grip and stability, even in the most treacherous conditions. Optional add-ons, such as winches, roof racks, and solar panels, allow users to further enhance the vehicle's capabilities to suit their specific needs. The Jacob T9 Hunter isn't just a vehicle, it's a dependable companion for those who seek adventure or require a reliable solution for demanding professional applications. Its unmatched blend of performance, resilience, and advanced technology makes it the ultimate choice for anyone needing a versatile, all-terrain powerhouse capable of excelling in any situation.